Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for WIF price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart, we are looking here at a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse toward the upside, finishing a wave A potentially, and then having a WX and a Y, 3 waves down. After that, you would like to see higher prices to reach, of course, an A, B, and a C for a 1-to-1 fib level, taken, of course, from the start here to the top and to the base point of your correction, giving us a 1-to-1 fib level at 5.72. However, after this correction in WXY, where we have a zigzag for your W, zigzag for your X, triangle for your Y, we have seen here an impulse, which it was a perfect scenario. And then after this, we saw a wave 2, awesome, and then a wave 3, which is perfect because it was very extended, very nice to see as as an impulse. However, we had in the past video before, I just removed it before we start this video, but we had an invalidation point already here with this line. And that was written as a bearish scenario. Once we break this line, of course, therefore, we are moving toward the downsides. And we did. Therefore, invalidation, and we removed, of course, this scenario. However, if you realize here, we did not take the high. It was very, very close to take the high, and it has touched the 886. And that means we're going to take the high soon or later. However, because we finished here as 3 waves toward the upside, and it was still corrective and not impulsive, telling us that this was 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and still need a 5 waves toward the downside to finish. And by all means, this correction has extended longer for WIF, and then we are looking, of course, for higher prices later on. That because we are, of course, already impulsive here, as you can see, as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Potentially your wave 4 did not finish yet. Sorry, your wave 3 did not finish yet. Because in your wave 3, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 just to finish your wave 3 first. After that, you would like to have a 3 waves corrected for your wave 4, and then an impulse, again, small impulse for your wave 5 to finish a wave C in, of course, ABC, which is gonna finish a wave B, of course, as A, B, and a C toward the upside. So after this, it is, of course, possible to get higher prices. Once we reach the wave B, I would say, let's have some targets where the potential of reversal can start to happen. First of all, let's have here a wave B in a, let's say, wave B in general. So because, of course, we have here an impulse, guys. And that means this might be, of course, a zigzag toward the upside. However, a zigzag wave B would be preferably finished already somewhere here. Now, of course, it can dive a little bit deeper, right? It can dive a little bit deeper, but it is preferably to finish around as these boxes. However, this impulse is not finished yet, and we're still looking for lower prices. Therefore, I think the better idea is to take a general wave B here and still seek, of course, for lower prices. By the way, I think this is reversed. 1 second. Yeah, it should be like this. So in that case, it is preferably, of course, that we reach the 0.78. Yeah. So 7.8, yeah, that would be a perfect for actually a regular flat. But in a regular flat, you cannot consider that this is an impulse. Yeah. In regular flat, you need to see 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and then 5 waves up. In that case, it is possible to count this as 3 wave, guys. And that by taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing the first impulse, correction, ABC, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave C. By all means, this can be or we can consider it as 3 waves as well. So in case that this is a 3 waves up, and then 3 waves down, then 5 waves up, of course, finishing this regular flat towards the upside. Your targets potentially are on the 0.78, which is $1.12 for WIF. And that because let's take the confluence, let's find the confluence between the targets for an impulse. For example, if you have an impulse here as well for a wave 3, here we go. As you can see, the 1.618 would like to be finished around the 0.786. And that means your wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 might finish already here, right? Touching even the 1.618 probably, and then having a correction. Then one more leg towards the downside, maybe touching the 886, but I doubt it. Your wave 5 might be very shallow, or the same price taken from here, like this. If it touches the 886, it is also possible. In that case scenario, of course, it can be something else unfolding for the future. And then, of course, definitely we're gonna see higher prices. Now, if it touches the 886, that might be a kind of a big contracting diagonal toward the upside. Yeah, because the 886 is a target for a contracting diagonal. And I doubt that we're gonna take the low here, definitely. So I think we're gonna move definitely from the 886, at least the 0.6165. But I think much higher possibility is to start to move towards the upside from the 0.786. So that is our target for WIF. And then, of course, next after it, we are looking for $5.72. That was it for WIF. I hope that you like it. If you did, don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching. And thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.